What's up guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and today we're going to be looking at this product here, which is the new MSXTTLY vacuum magnetic phone holder, the VMag S1. So if you're looking for a really good quality magnetic phone holder, stay tuned on this video. Now on the table here I've got a few old mounts. I just want to show you how clumpy and unuseful they are. So this one falls off all the time. It's really hard to get your phone in there, really not a fan. I've also got this one here which clips onto the vent and it always falls off. Again, not a great product. And I'm not the type of person that likes to have a huge case on their phone. I like it to be as slim as possible, and therefore it leads me down the path of a magnetic phone holder, which I do have this mount here. Again, it has no flexibility and you can't mount it many places. And that's why I have this magnetic phone holder from MSXTTLY. Now in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the product. I'm going to show you everything that's inside. We're going to mount it to the car and then I'll give you some final thoughts on it. Now let's take a closer look at what you actually get. So here's the box here. So MSXTTLY vacuum magnetic phone holder, and the model number there is a VMag S1. Down the bottom you'll notice there's actually two colour options. We've got space grey and titanium silver. The one in this box is actually the space grey one. Moving on to the side, just got some features of the phone holder. So 360-degree flexible rotation with strong magnetic hold, versatile use and one-handed operation. On the back we've got a bit of a contents list there for what you get in the box, but we'll take a look at that when we open it. And then just got some more sort of specifications and model numbers down there. So the material there, it does say that its majority of it is a zinc alloy. And we've also got their support information and their website information down the bottom there. Opening up the box, do actually have just a warranty card in there. So if you need to register that, the information's on the back how to do that, if you feel the need to do it. And then here is the phone holder itself. So the first thing you're going to notice, it's really well made and it feels really solid. So you certainly can move it into multiple positions. It's really going to be versatile and easy to use, especially one-handed like it says on the box. And then the most important bit is actually the vacuum mount. So you actually twist this ring here, really nice smooth operation. And then if you look on the back there, you'll actually notice how much it actually sucks in. So it's going to create a really good vacuum, and this can go on a whole load of different surfaces, and they actually give you some more tools in the box to do that. And the thing that I really like about this is the ability to actually fold it right the way up into a nice little package like that. So you can throw it in your pocket, or it's easy to travel with. It just goes in the side pocket of your bag. Let's take a look at what else they give you. So you do just get this little bag of goodies here, and to open this up, got some cleaning wipes just to clean the surface before you stick anything on there. Got this, which is really thin. So this is the magnetic piece that actually goes onto your phone, and it is super thin. So the blue part comes off, and we'll stick that on the phone in a second when we test it in the car. And then you get two of these gel pads. Now this is just to give you a smooth, non-permeable surface for the magnetic vacuum holder to actually stick to, and this can go into a whole load of different surfaces. I've actually noticed on the website it shows it's stuck to wood as well, and these can actually be reused once they're cleaned, and you get two of those. And then you actually get the more traditional, just sort of flat sticky mount. So if the top of your dashboard is like a mottled surface and you can't actually get a vacuum seal to it, you stick this on and then you peel that off and you actually get the vacuum surface there. Let's go ahead and stick it to the car. And just to show you how easy this is, I'm going to do it all one-handed. So take off the protective film, get into position, lock it all the way around and then pull down, and then you can get it to your desired angle. And just to remove it, same thing, all the way. And if you want to go into a new surface, and it is really strong once it's on there. And lastly, we're going to put the magnetic ring onto the phone. Just take that blue plastic cover off like that. Line it up, trying to make it nice and central, making sure it seals all the way around. Then you can go ahead and put your phone onto the phone holder. And there we go, that's how easy it is to install the MSXTTLY vacuum magnetic phone holder VMag S1 to your car. So I'm really impressed with the phone mount, especially for under $30. I think it's a really good buy, and it certainly gets the thumbs up from me. Now I'd just like to point out that MSXTTLY make a whole load of products, and I've also got this one to review, which is the MSXTTLY wireless adapter, which does Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to your car. However, this car doesn't actually do it. I'll show that on another car, so check out that video when it comes along. So I hope you found this video interesting or helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.